Okay, here we can see in the iMovie, with the iMovie app, okay, I've got an image here that I've already put in. First things first, when you put images in, it automatically does the Ken Burns effect. So if you click on there, Ken Burns, all right, you can then have different options, all right? So you don't have to have it Ken Burns. So if you want to, you can click on Ken Burns disabled, and you just pinch out and you go, well, I want to have that viewed there, okay, or that particular view right there, okay? Also, being mindful down the bottom, okay, you can add in different titles that go over there. You can have actions where you can duplicate it, okay, you can cut it, up to you, all right? You can also extend it, all right? So if you want to talk for longer, you certainly can. Ken Burns is rather effective though, okay? So if you want to put Ken Burns on, again, click it again, and you can pinch, it says there you've got the start, and you click that button, that's the end. So if you want here though, maybe I want that to start there, okay, and I want the end to be maybe here, all right? So now when I go back and press play, you can see what's going to start at this person and go to there, all right? So Ken Burns can be quite effective, but make sure it makes sense and it's not just automatic, okay? Then you can also insert other images. So if I go up here, I can go here again, I can just go boom, there's my image I've got there, I'm going to press plus, and it's gone straight in. Remember, you can click on it and you can move it around, so on and so forth. Okay, same again, if I click on it there, I can either enable Ken Burns effect, and I can pinch and go from different places. So when it comes to adding audio, this is the audio button here, okay? And I like audio here because you can do it in short bursts. You don't have to do it all at the same time. Here we are at Anzac Cove, 1915. What an incredible place. So obviously I made that up on the spot. But then what you've got down here is your audio file. Oh, sorry, I quickly got rid of that. But it gives you the option there to cancel, retake, or to accept. And I quickly accepted it. So if I just show you again, if I just go like that, here we go. Test, 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 1, 2, 3. Go stop. And then I can go, oh, I can quickly review it, okay? Or I can retake it, or if I've stuffed it up, or I can just go cancel together. And let's just say I just like it and I can put it there. Then with the audio, what it allows you to do is you can move the file around, okay? And then once you click on the audio file, you might like to duplicate it, okay? You then might like to increase the speed or the volume of it, okay? If you think, oh, I spoke too quietly, or I really want that bit to be soft or in the background, that's where you can do it. And you can even have it where you decide to have multiple recordings going at the same time. So you can sort of hear, test, one, oh, there, 1915. You better hear that they're both happening, 1, 2, 3. At the same time. Try it again. 15. Test, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's where you can get multiple audio files happening at the same time. Okay, so yeah, and then again, when you're ready to go, click on audio, press record. Pretty straightforward.